Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've got a gist for you, but before that gist, let me first sing this song. You can join me if you know it. It's a popular song by our own daddy Sonia Ade. He says, "Owó owó, mo fẹ́ ní ẹ rẹpẹtẹ owó owó, mo ní ẹ lò owó àpèkánúkò. Jẹ́ ní ẹ lọ́wọ́ má jẹ́ ní ẹ lọ́rùn kí n rí ẹ mú ṣeun rere bíi tìyàwó." See, the latest gist in town now is about Saheed Osupa. Hey, my goodness. You need to see money as in hard currency. Yes, I'm talking about hard currency. You see that money that this guy, Portable Okikiola, that he was just, showing on the internet that yes, this is legit money, I got my money, yes. That fans, spray him at Turkey, at London, and at Dubai. That one is small money compared to the one Saheed Osupa showcase on the internet. You need to God, Baba, Ọlọ́njọ́, I beg you, Saheed Osupa, please, spray our non-hard currency now. We be your fans now. And you need to see, in fact, several reactions are straight the way he portrayed that money on the internet. Some people were saying, why does he have to showcase that money? Why does he have to put it on the internet for people to see that yes, the money, hard currency, they spray him while he was performing? And people were some were condemning it, and some were saying, no, come on. Some people were saying, Pasuma Alowo Julo, this and that. So everybody is just showing, I beg. Upon all the showing, me is just that I need money. I beg. Baba, Saheed Osupa, please spray me out of this hard currency. Guys, you need to see this. In fact, it has, in fact, it blows my mind. It blows the internet. Hard currency. Hi! God help me. Guys, let me just leave you. Go and watch the video and see. It's not even only him that was counting the money. The money is on. In fact, go and watch it and see. You can drop your comments about what you feel about this development, about him showing the money on the internet, the hard-earned money, hard currency. Guys, go and watch it. Go and watch it.